supplies I'm gonna be using for my next DIY. To start off with, I have this super soft microfiber cloth that I'm going to be using as my Here I have a snowflake brooch that I ordered off Totally Dazzled. Some red glitter Dollar Tree ribbon, a candlestick holder, a couple of picks from the Dollar Tree, and I ordered these last year, Christmas tree form, small styrofoam ones off the Wish app. I believe it was $2 if I'm not mistaken. I sat this cone in the middle of our fabric and went on and glued until it was covered, trimmed the edge, and that was it. That's our starting point for the first one. For the second one, I took this glitter ribbon. I was going to paint it, but I don't mind that white peeking through, and I hope you can make that out. Very simply, took the red ribbon and wrapped it the length of the cone. Now, when I got to the point where the angle wasn't right and it was going to leave a space, I simply fold the ribbon and bring it back up and through. And continue to wrap, wrap, wrap. Now here again, this part would be open. You go ahead, fold your ribbon back on itself and bring it back over and continue to wrap. I just wanted to go through what I did to get to the next step. Now here is where I'm going to begin embellishing. So stick with this. I gave this little Dollar Tree base 2 coats of metallic silver finish, and that is for my white one. Very cute. Create a spray at the top of the tree. So I'm going to take these Dollar Tree picks and I'm going to go ahead and cut the branches free. And I'm always reusing these, so I'm just going to use hot glue to attach the two. Getting that spray on the top to stay in place the way I wanted it was no easy feat, but I did get it done. Just be patient with it and it'll come together. Now what I have here is another one of those brooches from Totally Dazzled, and I'm just going to add a little hot glue to that and go ahead and put that on the front. Brooch. It gives it that little bit of glam that I want. Candle holder into place at the bottom, and then I made a little bow that I'm going to add to the front of our candle holder just to tie it all in. And a little berry and a little pine cone on the front. Thank you for joining me today for another 5-minute DIY. This video is in collaboration with the Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club. Their links will be in my description box below. I hope this video gives you inspiration. And until next time.